Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today I want to discuss about the alkynes CET NEET JEE mains level. The first question is, which of the following sets of reagent can be used to convert 1-pentene to 1-pentyne? So 1-pentene structure, you know that CH3CH2CH2, total 3 carbon, then CH double bond CH2. This is 1-pentene. Then we have to convert into 1-pentyne. Double bond convert into triple bond. Double bond convert into triple bond. When it is possible, something should be eliminated. Yes or no? When eliminate, 2 atoms are eliminated, mean 1 pi bond form. Then first one is bromine. Add to this one. Then what happened? 1 pi bond out. Then here bromine, here bromine. Already I told you in the last class, addition of bromine is always anti. Addition of bromine always anti. So bromine added here. First step, bromine in CCl4. Generally bromine in CCl4 test is used to identify the double bond, triple bond, because bromine color is orange color. When bromine color is disappear, then we have to conclude that it may have double bond or triple bond. So we added bromine to this one. Next, what is there here? Sodamide. This is one of the good base. Na plus NH2 minus. NH2 minus is very strong base. Keep in mind, NH2 minus is strong base. When strong base is there, first step, 1H, 1 Br loss. 1H, 1 Br loss. 2 atoms are lost, mean 1 pi bond form. Next step, 1 Br, 1 H loss. Another pi bond form. Then how many pi bond form now? 2. Already what is there? 1 single bond. Total how many bond form? 3 bonds are there. So how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this one only we are getting that triple bond. Therefore which position that is? First position. So 1-pentene to 1-pentyne with the first answer only satisfied. Therefore first one only correct. No need to go for next. Next, second one. To get ethane, ethene, ethine by coal-based electrolysis, respective starting material can be, in your textbook, coal-based electrolysis given in first chapter only. In alkene, alkane not given. Only in alkene in your textbook given. So all we can prepare by coal-based electrolysis method. See, first option is what is there? Sodium acetate. Sodium acetate means CH3COO-Na. Like this, how many moles we have to take? 2 moles we have to take, and here water. Like this is, yes or no? Electrolysis. Then this will be form ethane, possible. This is CO2 eliminate, this is NaOH, like this 2 moles eliminated, H2O eliminate. So sodium acetate, okay. Then go for oxalate. Oxalic acid, you know, H2C2O4. So this is called COO-Na, COO-Na. This is sodium oxalate. If it is hydrolyzed, it means electrolysis if you do, then what happens? CO2 eliminate, NaOH eliminate, H2 eliminate. Then ethene not possible. Therefore first option wrong. Only one possible. Remaining respective we want. So not there. Go for second one. Sodium acetate is there. Already we studied. Possible. Then what is it? Sodium succinate. Oh my, such good apple. Last class somewhere I told you that. Okay. Then succinic mean what is that? CH2, CH2, COO-Na, potassium. Then you can write potassium, no problem. COO-K plus water. Then what happened? This will be eliminated like this. Then carbon valence is how much? 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When it is eliminated, mean compulsory, what will form here? Double. Ethane possible or not? Possible. Ethane possible. Where? See, this is. Next, potassium malleate. This is also, you know, that CH double bond CH. This is I given in the isomerism, geometrical isomerism. Cis form is called malic acid, trans form is called fumaric acid. You can check in your geometrical isomerism. So here malleate is there, mean that is ester form. Therefore COO, potassium is given, potassium there, K, COO, K. This is and this is same. But what is there here? CH2 is there. Here what is there? CH. When it is eliminated like this, then here which bond form? Another pi bond form. Then ethane possible or not? Possible. So second option is correct. But here confusion what is there? They not given formula. They given which one? Names. Then you should know how to write the structure. Then only you will answer. Otherwise this question is difficult only. Okay. Then now you can note down this 3 reaction in your notebook, because only one reaction is given in your textbook, that is alkane preparation. Alkene, alkyne not given. So here one thing you have to keep in mind, alkane, alkene, alkyne, all 3 can be prepared by Kolbe electrolysis method. Next, this is so listen, this is also comes in the second year and in first year. CH3. Now water molecule we are adding. Water molecule meaning what is that? H plus OH minus. Then you know that Markovnikov rule. According to Markovnikov rule, negative part of the region bonded to which one? Less number of hydrogen carbon. Here how much is there? No. Here also? No. Then any one side you can add. Yes or no? But if it is shift like this, then this one get which charge? Negative. This will get which one? If it is shift like this will get positive, this will get negative. But which positive? This positive is more stable or this positive is more stable, that we have to identify. Here what is there? pH. pH means what is there? Benzene. So benzene next carbon is which one? Benzyl type. Then that is more resonance stabilized. Therefore shifting this direction is correct, this direction is wrong. Got the point? Actually according to Markovnikov rule, what you will think, any one side OH minus we can add, because that is negative part. But actually benzene given. Therefore according to this pH C OH, one pi bond is out, not both, only one pi bond. Then how many remaining remain? 2. Then C, one H is added, this one, because H is there here, OH here. So H is added here and CH3. Then this will undergo ketoenol tautomerization. That also you studied this will becomes here, this will becomes here. Then pH, this bond will come in here, double bond O, single bond with this pi bond shifted here, H and H, CH2, CH3. Like this, which option is there? Select. This is no, because pH next to C double bond is there. Here pH next to CH2 is there. Yes or no? B, pH next to C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Then B option correct. Clear? Ethene and ethane can be distinguished by, ethene mean double bond, ethane mean what is that? Triple bond. Can be distinguished by bromine water? No. Bromine in CCl4 we can distinguish, not bromine water. Bromine in CCl4. Okay. KMNO4. Bromine in water, for example here given, that also little bit orange color, that you can keep in outside. Just this you studied already. Bromine in CCl4, orange color disappear, meaning what is that? Double bond, triple bond present. So both give positive test. Then how to identify? One gives, another not gives, mean we can identify. Here bromine in CCl4 both will give, therefore we cannot identify. KMnO4, that also KMnO4 pink color you may be observing in the laboratory in solution state. So both will give the KMnO4 color disappear. Alkene also, alkyne also. Then how to identify? Not possible. These are there in your textbook both. Then only option these two are there now. So this is B naught, D naught. Then bromine water is look like the bromine in CCl4. Then this will also adds to double bond, triple bond, and it little bit color change appear. Now ammonical cuprous chloride is there. Then I want to take one alkene, CH2 double bond, CH2, ammonical cuprous chloride mean NH4Cl, and sorry, ammonical mean ammonium hydroxide plus Cu2Cl2. This reaction anywhere you will not study in the alkene chapter. Now alkyne, this is one of the alkyne. This is react with the NH4OH plus Cu2Cl2. Then you will get C triple bond Cu. This is called copper acetylide. It means both hydrogens are acidic hydrogen. This hydrogen replaced, this hydrogen replaced by copper. Another one also is there, that is called, instead of this you will get silver nitrate. If this is same, this is only change. If these two are there, that is called Tollens reagent. This is there, that is called ammonical cuprous chloride. So if it is not there, mean here silver will come, here copper is there, mean copper will come. In textbook not there, in old textbook is there, that's why. And these are important also. Not there mean don't think about this, not our textbook, mean PUC level not there, competitive level it is present. So here it gives, because here acidic hydrogens are present. So ammonical cuprous chloride, alkene do not give, which will give? Alkynes only gives the positive test. Therefore C is the correct answer. If Tollens reagent also is there here and ammonical cuprous chloride is there, so which will give? Alkynes only gives the Tollens test and ammonical cuprous chloride test. That also, that alkyne should be like this required. Alkyne, if it is like this is there, then it gives. Alkyne like maybe is there, do not give, because acidic hydrogen not there here. Acidic hydrogen means hydrogen bonded to triple bonded carbon, but here hydrogen anywhere there? No. So this test is given, Tollens and ammonical cuprous chloride test, when it is possible. That should be terminal alkyne. Terminal means triple bond may be present right side end or left side end. Middle present means do not give. This is called internal alkyne. This is called terminal alkyne. This point very important. You have to note down in your notebook. Terminal alkyne only gives a Tollens and ammonical cuprous chloride test. Internal alkyne do not give. Now this is the test. What is the name? Acetone is a major product in 1, 2, 3 given. In the option 1 only, 2 only, 3 only, like this given. Then we will check which is the correct answer. Okay, what is the first one given? CH2 double bond CH2, and here water, it means acidic medium water addition. Water mean what is it? H plus OH minus. Then here less number of hydrogen, here more number of hydrogen, both sides same is there. Therefore CH2, H added this side, then this is converted into which one? CH3. This is converted into which one? OH, because we are adding according to Markovnikov rule. OH is negative part of the region bonded to which one? No hydrogen carbon, and positive part will be added to more number hydrogen carbon. Remaining what is that here? Double bond CH2. Now only we discuss this is keto-enol tautomerization possible here. Then CH3C double bond O single bond H2 minus and H plus. This is converted to which one? CS replace. One is possible, acetone product possible. Second one, now only I think discuss this is CH3 C triple bond H plus these are the catalysts. Only here addition of water. Then water. In water what will be there? H plus OH minus is there. Negative part of the region bonded to where? Less number of hydrogen. Here 1 is there, here no is there. Therefore, you will get CH3 OH double bond H and 1 H CH2. This is same. Then keto-enol tautomerization. Then these will form same or not? So this will also gives. Then this one CH3C triple bond and CH. This will come in the second year part actually, but this is alkyne is there, therefore they may given here OH minus. Actually according to this, from this OH minus or water, OH bonded to right side, less sterically hindered. Here this is CH3 is bulky group, H is smaller group, that you will know in the second year part. Then here will be in water molecule not given actually here, water molecule also will be there. So here will be H and here will be CHOH. Actually OH bonded to less number of hydrogen, less sterically carbon. Here CH3 bulky group, H is smaller group, therefore OH always bonded to less sterically crowded carbon. So like this. Now keto-enol tautomerization, this will becomes here, this will becomes here. Then what you will get here? CH3, CH and H, CH2, C double bond OH. This is not ketone, this is aldehyde. Then which is correct answer? 1 and 2 is correct answer. Therefore both 1 and 2 is the correct one. Okay. Now this which one alkyne? This is terminal. This is which one? Internal. It means triple bond present middle, triple bond present at the end. Terminal and internal alkane can be distinguished by, already I told in the previous question, maybe Tollens reagent. Another one is ammonical cuprous chloride. Tollens, ammonical cuprous chloride. This is sodium metal also, because sodium metal, if it is there like this, or here I will write CH3C triple bond CH. If sodium metal is there, this will be converted to CH3 C triple bond C. It is minus, and this will be Na plus. Okay. These are there in your textbook. Directly already I taught also in the offline class or in maybe online class. This is there. So sodium metal is there, mean it form acetylide. Acetylides mean here this is negative, this is positive form, salt formation possible. When it is possible? When terminal alkynes are present, that time only it is possible, because acetic hydrogen is present here. Acetic hydrogen is present, then only these three reactions are possible. This is. But Bayer's reagent, what is that? Bayer's reagent gives for any alkyne or any alkene. Bayer's reagent mean what is that? Cold dilute KMnO4. So this is used for which one? To identify the unsaturation, that may be double bond or triple bond. KMnO4 color disappear, meaning what is that? Double bond or triple bond present. So this will also give test, this will also give. Both given mean we cannot identify. One given, another not given mean we can identify the test. That is used for identification test. Tollens test given by this, not this. Ammonical cuprous chloride test given by this, not this. Sodium metal test given by this, by not this. Then this will give both. Then here read the question, distinguished by the following method except. Then which is correct answer? All these we can identify, but except this. Therefore answer D. Find the correct one among the following. Find the correct one among the following in the case of unsymmetrical alkyne. Unsymmetrical alkyne meaning what is there? This alkyne, if you cut, then you will get equal part, symmetrical. If you cut like this, what is this? Unsymmetrical. Then unsymmetrical alkyne, addition of HCl and HBr to the alkyne regioselectivity. Regioselectivity means what is it? That Cl minus or Br minus attack to region. Now you maybe not heard this word regioselective. In second year this word is important. See, this I want to take CH3 CH2 C triple bond CH. Now I want to add HCl. Negative part of the region bonded where? Left or right? Left. CH3 CH2 Cl double bond CH and HCH2. Otherwise it may attack like this also. CH2 CH, H added here, Cl added here, double bond CH Cl. Clear? Another one possibility, what is that? HBr. HBr also added same like this. Regioselective meaning, what is that? Now you can take this one. Same, I want to write this is CH3 CH2 C triple bond. No. C triple bond CH3. Otherwise take this one Cl only. Now Cl added which side? This side also CH3 is there, this side also CH3 is there. Before case this reaction, pH is there, mean what is the benzene stabilize the carbocation. Here both are same stabilize. Any one side add? Any one side add, meaning what is that? CH3 Cl double bond CH CH3. This side added H, this side added Cl. When symmetrical is there, any one side add. Unsymmetrical is there? Regioselective. It means it select the region where stable carbocation form. Yes or no? That's why in case of HCl HBr is a regioselective is possible. Regioselective nothing but which follows which one? Markovnikov rule. I given same in addition of HCl and HBr follows the which one? Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule followed or not? Followed. Therefore A also correct, B also correct. Therefore which option correct? This is C correct. Both are wrong also given, that is not. So C option. Next. Next, consider the following sequence of reaction. Here, see reaction given. This is alkene, added bromine. Then what happened? CH3, CH double bond, CH2. To this, we are adding bromine in CCl4. Then CH3, CHBr and CH2Br. Bromine addition always anti. Opposite added. Next, what happened? NaNH2. Already now only I told you that this is very strong base. When strong base is there, one H bromine is there here and H, one H, one Br loss first time. Second time, one Br, one H loss. Then how many pi bond form? CH3, this H loss. Because Br and H loss, this Br and this H loss, this Br and one H loss, then triple bond, already one bond, this one pi bond, two pi bond, then one H is left. Okay, but this is in the form of minus only because Na plus is there, therefore Na plus. But next what is there they given? Water. Therefore that and this will be out and here which will come H. Clear? You may be confused. Here H also is there, no sir, one H. That will be eliminated because this is a base, strong base. That acidic hydrogen will be removed by this strong base and in the form of it is salt. Next time water added, that time H will be added. Then what is the name of this? Propyne. Propyne, which option is there? B option. Clear? Next, now alcoholic KOH. This is which one? Acidic. This is which one? Acidic hydrogen. Acid and base react, form salt. Otherwise, this is also base, but here terminal alkane not there. Terminal alkane not there. Terminal alkane only gives a reaction, otherwise no. So this is just A and B given here, base they mention, but actually this one only you have to consider. This compound name and this compound name, right? Then you will know that which type of isomer. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 1 ine. What is the name of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I may wrote the one extra. I will check this is question because single character question है. Where? One, two, three, four, five, 6 is there. 6 only is there. Here 5, here 6 means these are any isomers these are? No, molecular formula is not same. Therefore, there may be print mistake. But according to option mean there should be any one of this option. Here no option is homomer meaning what is that? Same. These are not same. Chain isomers meaning what is that? They having same molecular formula but they differ in the chain. Here how much this is? 5 carbon. This is which one? 6 carbon. But isomer when it is possible? Same molecular formula. Same molecular formula means same number of carbon required. Not there. That's why I have to change this is little bit. 1, 2. Now how many carbons are there? 5 carbon. Question little bit print mistake is there in the book also. That's why I wrote like this only. Now this is pent 1 ine. This is which one? Pent 2 ine. Then what? Which type of isomer? Chain isomer or positional isomer or functional? Functional not, because triple bond same is there. Then we can eliminate the D option. Answer B or C. B or C. Simple. Positional isomer. Chain isomer means chain difference should be required, no? Here 5 is there, mean here also how much is there? 5 is there, not chain isomer. Here 1 position, here 2 position mean number change mean that is position changed. Therefore positional isomer. After changing this structure, before that they are not isomer. Whatever I given a question, before that they are not isomer. Okay, now C option according to modified this. Okay, now which one this is? Propine. Propine react with which one? NaH. Then this is which one? Acidic hydrogen. This H loss and gives as CH3 C triple bond C minus this is Na and H and H minus H2 out. Okay, then we got which one here? This salt. Now react with this. This Na and this one is out. Then what is left? Left one is CH3 C triple bond C. This is bonded with which one? CH2. Like this only? Then what is there next? Ozonolysis. Last class only I told you that. Where double bond, triple bond is there, that break. If double bond is there, zinc is there, H2O2 not there, only zinc is there, that time you will get left right OO. But here when this is H2O2 is there, that will convert into carboxylic acid because this oxidizing agent. This is oxidizing agent. Up to aldehyde reduced, oxidized, but control oxidizer. If formic, what do you call? Peroxide is there, then it will give up to acid. Therefore, this will be converted to OOH. This is also converted to OOH. Then CH3COH. CH3COH. Which option is there? Here how many carbon? 3 carbon. Ethyl mean how many? 2 and 1. Total? Here how many carbons are there? 1, 2 only. Then B option. CH3COH is there? CH3COOH. Then next one what is there? Ring, CH2. This is converted to which one? COH. Correct? Correct. Then B option correct. Clear? Next. Which product is not possible in the reaction? Which product is not possible in the Okay. See, here H plus is there. It means acid catalyzed water, but water not there here. Which is there? Deuterium is there. So H plus come from this catalyst. OH minus come from this. OH minus not. OD come from this one. Okay, because before reaction somewhere we discussed that keto-enol tautomerism. H plus come from the acid, OH minus come from the water. But here H plus come from this acid and OD come from this D2O. Then now OD comes because here H plus come from the acid, OD is in the form of minus. According to Markovnikov rule, then OD is negative part. It bonded to which one? Less number of hydrogen. Okay, but here you may observe here, this is what is that? Two double bonds are there. So if you study your notebook clearly, 1-2 addition is there because this is and this is added 1-2 position. This is and this is may add, this will be comes to here, then this is which one? 4th. Got the point? So 1-2 addition product is there, 1-4 addition product also is there. So two types of product possible. So first type of product is 1-2 position, this is. Then this will be not shift, only up to here only. See, carefully observe, when it is shifted up to here, this is positive, this is negative. Clear? Then OD here, H here. Then first option correct. Already what is there? CH2. H added CH2 plus H CH3. Then CH and OD. This bond is not affected, not affected. Then this one. This bond is shifted to here. This will shifted to here. Then this is what is the charge? Positive. This is what is the charge? Negative. Here how many hydrogen? 2. Then one hydrogen added here. Then this is CH3. Then CH3. This pi bond shifted here. Pi bond. Next what is there? OD. Clear? So H added here. OD added. So this is also possible. 1-2 product possible. 1-4 product also possible. Then C. Here what is there? D. Here what is there? OD. Both not come from the water. One from the acid, one from the D2O. Then this is not formed. We want what is there? Which product is not? Then this is not. Got the point? Then this is correct answer. Not possible product we want. Okay, automatically this is possible, both B and C. Clear? Next, this is which one? Terminal or not? Terminal. React with which one? Sodium, sodamide. Sodamide means what is that? It form H out. See, already H is there, otherwise I will write here CH3, CH2, C triple bond, C minus Na plus sodamide. This NH2 and H lost as a minus NH3 because that is strong base, removes the H plus. Next what is there? This is this type of reaction. This is. Then this will be out. After this will be out, what will form? CH3, CH2, C triple bond, C. CH3, CH2, C triple bond, C. Next CH2, CH3. Then what is there next? This lithium in liquid ammonia. You studied in your notebook or in your textbook sodium in liquid ammonia. So sodium or lithium belongs to same group. Then Lindlar catalyst gives a cis product. Sodium in liquid ammonia give trans product. That also in the last class we studied. So now on hydrogenation in liquid lithium in liquid ammonia, you will get CH3, CH2, C double bond, C. Here H is that means here H, these two hydrogen, one H, trans position. Then here CH2, CH3. Then trans alkene is a major product. Trans, which is a trans in this? Here given this product, but H or which side they not mention, cis or trans. That's it. That is not answer. If anyone is not there, that time we can select this one. We can check first. Here cis trans not given. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6 is there. But here 4 only is there. That's why this is not answer. Here what is there? Trans is there. Here what is there? Cis is there. then these three may be answer, but which is correct answer? Trans is a correct one. Therefore this is clear. Now the last one question, read first what they given. See, 0.34 gram of HCl hydrocarbon, 0.34 gram of hydrocarbon when heated with the methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide means, already I told you that is Grignard reagent, okay, gives 112 milliliter of methane at STP. Possible structure of hydrocarbon is HCl hydrocarbon, okay. So first I will write here by checking one option. There is no possibility here. We have to check options only. The first option, what is they given? CH3, CH2, CH2, C triple bond CH. First option. React with which one? Methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. Clear? Then this is which one? Hydrogen added to this. This reaction already studied in the alkene one reaction studied. You just check. So this is. Otherwise secondary student well known this is. Any proton source is there. Proton source is there means this Grignard reagent always gives the alkane only. So these proton sources are which one? Alkyne. Terminal alkyne, water, alcohol, acid and thioalcohol, ammonia, all this. Any one is the left side. Here whatever R, that convert into alkane. In second or 1 second come, don't worry. So now alkane form. So this alkane is CH3 plus H, CH4. Then remaining is magnesium bromide. Magnesium bromide. This total negative part. This total negative part here. Because this is positive plus 2. This is one negative. Another negative required to neutralize. 2 positive and 2 negative required. 1 negative and this total, this negative. No need to write. We want with this. Okay. 1 mole mean how much? 22.4 liter. But here what they given? Milliliter given or liter given? Then this will be converted into milliliter. 22400 milliliter. Clear? Then this is also hydrocarbon considered in the form of gas only. Then how many carbons are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 12, 60. 60 plus how many hydrogens are there? 5. And this is 3, 8. 60 plus 8, 68. 68 gram gives how much? 22400. We want how much? If it is half, mean what is that? 11200 milliliter. Yes or no? Then this will be how much? 34. We want this is 112 milliliter. Then this is which one? 034. Understood? Mathematically. This is 2 0 cancel mean point should be shifted back. Then correct is there. First option only satisfied. Unfortunately. If not satisfied, second, third, then fourth. Like these questions are there, they will give 1 or 2 option only, first or second only. Otherwise time consuming process. Okay. So answer is A only here. Okay.